morning, guys. I just got out of the shower, as you can see by my wet hair. I'm just filming like a little, just like an at-home morning, something chill, you know, because quarantine life. So I'm just gonna show you guys like what I'm doing today. Just at home. I have a few things I need to get done, so I thought I would just film it for you guys. But first things first, I have to have some coffee. I also like to start my day off by drinking a ton of water, so I'm just gonna finish this, and I usually drink about like literally 8 of these a day, if not more. I just drink water all the time. It's so important to stay hydrated, so I'm gonna also have this with my coffee. You can also put like lemon in it, but I'm currently out of lemon until I can go and get some more. So I'm just gonna go make my coffee real quick and then catch up on a few YouTube videos. I'm just catching up on a little bit of Malibu Surf. I don't know if you guys watched that, but I'm like so obsessed with it since it came out. So I'm just gonna watch that and have my coffee before I get started on my day today. So yeah. So I have on this sweatshirt and I'm sweating in it, but then I put on like just a regular t-shirt and I'm freezing. I literally cannot win. Like, what is going on? Why does this happen to me? Anywho, I know I literally just like went back home to Louisiana, but I'm going back in like 3 or 4 days. I really need to like get everything packed because I know myself, if I don't do it today, I will wait last minute and that will not be good. Everything like laid out, figure out what I want to bring. It is such a gorgeous day outside. Let me show you guys outside of the window. It's just so pretty. I really wish the pool was open right now at my apartment, but it's closed. But I just want to like lay out. It's like perfect weather today, but when I go home, I'm definitely going to be laying out by the pool because your girl needs a tan. But I'm just about to go put away a few clothes and then like deep clean my apartment. I feel like when you have an apartment or even a house, everything just gets dirty so quickly. Like, I'm constantly cleaning, which is fine. I don't mind. I like to clean, but I just feel like I'm constantly cleaning. So that's what I'm gonna go and do right now. I also need to like organize all my perfumes. I really want to get like some of the Jo Malone perfumes. I feel like they smell so good. Also, I want to get one of their candles as well. But this is just a few of my perfumes. I gotta get the other ones out and just get all of this organized and all put away today. I'm just gonna go ahead and like clean my kitchen counters. This is my all-time favorite thing to clean them with. It's the Miss Meyer's counter spray, and this is just in the lavender scent. I have this, I have the bathroom one, I also have the soap. I'm just like obsessed with this and the smell of it. And I also keep this in the kitchen. It's just a lemon essential oil. I put this like in my sinks and stuff, and it just makes like the kitchen smell really like nice and fresh. So these two things are always a must for me when I'm cleaning the kitchen. So I'm gonna go do that. Forgot to film it, but I had some of this bread for breakfast. I got it from Sprouts. It's a lemon blueberry like Irish soda bread. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so freaking good. We just toasted this and it was delicious. right, I've got the house all clean and smelling amazing. It's so nice outside, so I'm just gonna go outside, sit on my porch, get some fresh air. It feels so good out here. I cannot wait to be in the sun. So I've talked about this blanket so many times already. I know it's my absolute favorite, but I'm thinking about ordering the bigger version of this and putting this one on the couch. Beau is always coming in here, taking my blanket and bringing it into the living room so he can use it. But I just love it, and I feel like the bigger one would look so good on my bed, and I don't know, I love it. It's the best blanket in the world. I'm obsessed. I feel like everyone needs this blanket in their life because it's the best. Now I'm just gonna check Instagram. I usually do this all day. Okay, so I just ordered a bunch of stuff online that I needed to get. I really want to vacuum out my car, but I've been saying that for like 2 weeks and I still have yet to do it. So we'll see if I actually do it today. I really need to because it's kind of gross, but we'll see. I might do like a workout or something and film some other videos today. I still need to pack, but so far that's how my morning's going. I decided I wanted to do this Summer Fridays jet lag mask. I love it. I just put on my Laneige sleeping lip mask, my fave. I always use it. I really want to try like the Summer Fridays new like lip stuff. If you guys have tried it, let me know. I'm just gonna put some of this on. So amazing. If you guys like don't have this face mask, I highly recommend it. It's one of my favorites. I still haven't packed yet. I'm being lazy, catching up on some Vanderpump Rules, which is like my favorite show. I love Vanderpump Rules and I love Sir. They have the best goat cheese balls ever. If you haven't been and you want to go and get the goat cheese balls because they're so freaking good. I just love that place. So I'm just gonna finish my TV shows and then do and then I'll probably do like just a light workout or something. So I just got done doing a little workout. I did some lunges, some sit-ups, did a little bit of stretching, and I try to do like a little bit of exercising 3 to 4 times a week. It's just really healthy, keeps your body moving. So the packing situation is finally coming along. I have a few outfits kind of styled. I just really need to figure out what else I want to bring. The weather over there, it's so hot, but it's like really hot weather over there right now, so I need to figure out like what else I should pack. I packed up a good bit of stuff. It's still not really organized. I'll get to that later when I finish everything else, but for the most part I did get like a bunch of outfits styled and stuff, and like pajamas and some sneakers I want to bring in there, and I'll just finish the rest up tomorrow. So I just had a package delivered from Shoe Dazzle. I got the same bag that I have in black. I loved it so much that I had to have it in white. And then also got these super cool shoes. These are so cool, so 90s. So excited to wear these. And thank you so much, Shoe Dazzle, for sending me this. I cannot wait to wear it. And then I also received a cute little Easter letter from my mom with a Starbucks gift card, and it's so cute. It's a little bunny. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog off here. I know it wasn't like super exciting. I'm just at home like getting my stuff done that I need to get done, but I thought I would just film it. And yeah, I'm just, you know, the whole quarantine thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll link all my social medias in the description down below for you guys, so you can check that out. And I'll be posting videos. I'm gonna try at least to be posting videos twice a week from now on. So I hope you all have a great rest of your week, and don't forget to stay stellar. All right, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.